Good evening, everybody.
Johnny got Johnny be good tonight. And now we go. Say it. Morning, Mr. Radio. Good morning, little Cheerio. Morning, Sister Oreo. Did I tell you everything is all right now? Hi, in my
Your feelings, 'cause it's coming down to it tonight. The bad news has arrived. It's closing time.
Oh, baby, I'm always doing projects. Like, I work with different musicians all the time. I have this disc that we did, and I'm working with some other musicians in Brazil. I love to do kind of the translation in poetry because I'm a poet and a writer first. So I work with poets and writers, and we put songs together. I'm learning how to sing in Arabic. That's going to be really cool. There's a lot of things I want to do, but everything with spirit and freedom. He's super cute. You're dirty! I'm a dirty dog. I like to make people happy. I think that's the point, right? If you come to my house and I invite you to dinner, I want to make you something that will make you lose your mind and feel happy, you know? And if you come to the show, I want to make you feel happy. And if you want to come and be critical, well, you're in the wrong place because it's only a good hang, it's good energy and good vibe, you know? And so I bring a nice band, and I love these guys. They're amazing musicians. And we have a lot of fun on stage, and hopefully that energy transfers over and people have fun too. Okay. How was I to know that this was always only just a little game to you? All the time I thought you gave your heart, I thought that I would do the same for you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Never know much to love you, never know much to care. When I die, you try to kill me. You say, Daddy, don't you really give me fever?
Solo dancing ain't no fun. And since you know what I mean, baby, won't you come and help me through? Said, I would do the same for you. I tell you, that you don't have to stay. I tell you something. Sweet dreaming down the line. They want to the line. Leave the blues in the rain. Take a moment and give me some sweet love and company. Come on. Come on, baby, do the booty girl. Take it to the way you forget your bad dream.
Well, I first was enjoying his music just listening to his recordings. And then 2.5 years ago, we played a jazz festival, and he sat in with us, and we got to meet him, and we became friends. So it's very nice now to have an opportunity to do something formal with him. The wonderful thing about music is that, and you're 50 years old, 60 years old, you're still learning, you know? I'm hanging out with Herbie Hancock and Wayne Shorter, and these guys are like, look what I just found. Look what I just discovered. That's incredible, you know? It's a wonderful blessing to know that you can grow for your whole life, and I think that's the wonderful thing about music. I'm like a kid, you know what I mean? I'm like, man, did you hear that? And you know who else was like that? Miles Davis. He was like that. When we would listen to music, he'd go, did you hear that? What is that? You know? I said, oh, that's a drum machine. You know, it was like the 80s and the drum machines were new. What does that sound? Okay, write me something with that sound in it, you know? So curiosity is really, really important.
Little John, everyone's gave it away. Everybody had to pay and pay.
Ça n'existe pas les menus avec la Chifa et moi. On voit les produits, on dit tiens on va faire ceci ou cela. Ça on improvise. Ça se passe toujours bien. Et comme on les nourrit à l'appel du ventre, ils arrivent, ils sont détendus, il fait beau, il y a la mer. J'ai rejoint.
On a un chef tyrannique, des assistantes un peu autistes, donc c'est pas facile tous les jours.
Ça fait à peu près 33 ans qu'on n'a pas tourné ensemble. On a enregistré ensemble, des fois dans le même studio ou en re-re, mais là ça fait à peu près 33 ans qu'on n'a pas fait ça. Et son premier voyage d'ailleurs en Europe, c'était en 81 avec Mars bien sûr. Je prévois pas l'avenir, mais je pense qu'on va faire une joyeuse fête païenne et s'excuser sincèrement après. Là, ça va être cool. Il y a une bonne énergie, c'est intéressant parce que sans qu'on se parle, il y a une connivence. Même les gens qui ne savent pas qu'on a beaucoup travaillé ensemble. Souvent, j'ai des remarques et disent « Ah, mais vous connaissez depuis longtemps », les gens le voient. Mais enfin, ce qui est bien aussi, c'est qu'il n'y a aucune garantie. Chaque concert a sa magie et ses surprises.
Venir jouer avec Marcus, c'est pareil, c'est un vrai bonheur. Je suis un grand fan de Marcus et de son groove et de sa joie de vivre et de sa simplicité dans les rapports humains et musicaux. Donc c'est un vrai plaisir de...
Lay some horns on me, baby.
C'est toujours un pur bonheur, c'est mon fiancé de toujours, mon fiancé de cœur, au niveau de la musique, c'est merveilleux.
C'est très cool d'être de retour ici, à Juan-les-Pins, Antibes. Quand j'étais teenager, j'ai vu une affiche, un poster, et sur le poster, il a dit Antibes. Mais comme teenager, j'ai pensé en anglais. Antibes? Où est Antibes? C'est une autre partie du monde. Mais maintenant, c'est très familière et c'est vraiment un honneur de jouer ici à Juan-les-Pins en Antibes.
Ça, c'est le 4e piston qui permet de jouer ce qu'on appelle les quarts de ton. Donc en fait, mon père a inventé ça dans les années 60. Donc, la raison technique, c'est que ça permet de jouer les quarts de ton. Donc je pourrais m'arrêter là et vous dire ça permet de jouer ce qu'on appelle les maqams arabes, c'est-à-dire les gammes arabes.
Voilà.
Maintenant, si je vais plus loin dans ma réflexion, en réalité, c'est le seul instrument qui me permet en fait d'unir à la fois ma culture française, européenne, occidentale et ma culture arabe, moyen-orientale. Donc c'est un instrument métis. C'est un instrument métis. Voilà. Et comme je suis en soi métis, ça me correspond bien.
Sing the song, say I need somebody, I need somebody, I need somebody. Say I need somebody, I need somebody. Please don't leave me alone. I'm tired of being by myself. No, don't you leave me on the shelf. So baby, don't leave me alone. Help me find my dancing shoes. Would you help me heal the black and the blues? You know that I live just down the way. You don't have to stay. Small talk and jasmine tea. Spend a little time with me, yeah, just watching the rain. Sing the song. Come on and give me some sweet love and company. Yeah.
Good evening, everybody.